Hey, welcome back to isensehub. Welcome back. I am excited to see you here again. Good afternoon to you, good morning to you, and good evening to you, whatever you might be. We are working ourselves through the process of transforming our productivity with isensehub, right? And one of the tools that I'm going to show you today as well is also a key productivity tool. Do you see or do you remember those times that probably you might get to a website and it has many pages and you really don't have the time to go through each page and see what the website is about? Well, on iSense Hub, we have a tool here called AI Web Chat. Okay, what this tool does is that if you have a website, if you're on any page and you don't have the time to go through the entire website, you can just copy that URL of the page in which you are, bring it onto iSense Hub, your job is done. Whatever questions you have about the website, you can ask iSense Hub and it's going to give you answers. Without further ado, let's quickly jump into the AI chat, web chat. It's a simple platform, right? This is a platform, a simple platform. You won't see anything much here, but yeah, I just toggled that to the dark mode, so just to make a change. So that's it, right? It is a simple tool, one click basically. So what I'm going to do here is, let's say I have a website. Let me look for a website that I can ask about. All right, so I have a website and it's a beautiful website, but I don't have time to go through all the pages and read all the content. I want to know the little things that, so I'm just going to paste the web link over here at the top here. This is where you paste the link, okay? When you paste this link, you got to click analyze. When you click analyze, AI is going to go right onto the other website and check the website. And then now it's back to you for you to ask any questions that you might have about the website. So let's click analyze. And analysis is ongoing right now. Yep, it has been analyzed 1 second ago. So once you click analyze, it moves from here to here. So now the page has been analyzed a second ago. So let's ask questions about the website. What is this website about? Right here, you can see it's giving me the website name. Okay, the website Clicking Hub is a digital marketing agency that offers a range of services to enhance online presence and drive tangible outcomes. They specialize in services such as blah 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 blah. That is exactly what this website is about. Okay, let me just go ahead and say, how can I contact them? I don't know what it's going to bring, but let's see. Right here, to contact Clicking Hub, you can send them a message through their website, because there is a form on the website that says message. So you can just fill. So it's actually seeing exactly what is on the website. And this is crazy. Like, it is crazy that within a second it's been onto the website, it knows what is on the website, and is giving you like accurate information. That is contact us page. It is true. But then there is also a section of the website right on the top that makes it clearly stated that you should send a message or something. So it's giving you all the information you need. It's also provided the website URL here as well. So guys, thank you for being here. Keep using the productivity tools. All we're doing is that we don't have time to waste. Okay, a day of 24 hours, especially in my life, 24 hours is not enough for me. By the time I get up, take a shower, do my morning routine, like the day is already gone. So to be able to achieve more, you need to be smart, and to spend probably 20 minutes scrolling through a website about what a website is and now thinking about how, no, this can do it for you within a second. All the questions you have, it can answer it for you. Okay. So thank you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care.